Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is Euro USD chart. Okay, the trend was previously a minor trend is uptrend, the major trend is downtrend, the minor trend is uptrend. So let's see some trade here, and today I will be announce my surprise of new year. Okay, this is a surprise to all of my subscriber and who want to join my class. Okay, so let me explain first our two trade here, then after I will discuss on the surprise. Okay, so let's see what happened after this candle. Okay, I'll place here two trade as a demo account. Okay, so no hurry about to trade on every candle. If I get right opportunity, then I will be trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. I see some sellers entry to from this level. Okay, so now seller change their entry point from here to here. Okay, this whole area is a seller's area. In the market right now, no have volume. This is low volume market, so we are waiting for confirmation, then we will be trade here. Okay, I am placing here a lower option. I am placing here a lower option because I see the buyer's entry below that level, below that candle. Okay, and there is a gap, so the seller must be fill that gap. Okay, there is a gap from buyer's entry, okay, to the sellers, and there is a gap, so seller must be fill that gap, and it will my 100% sure shot, and you will see this is a winning trade. Okay, so let me do one more trade. This is a breakout candle. The trend also is downtrend, downward momentum. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let me clear that all levels first, so you will be easily understand. On the next trade I will be attach two level here only, seller's entry and the buyer's entry. Okay, so let's see. It's a very simple, it's a very simple. Okay, so I will be placed on the next candle. Okay, it's a gap down open. Let's see what happened here. Today is the low volume market, so candle can't move. Okay, candle very slowly moving, and there is no have volume, so candle still at the point, opening point, so we are not understand what going on, so we have to wait some time. If candle is running a good condition, then we will be trade. Okay, so wait 1 or 2 minutes to make a direction. Okay, where want to move market. So yes, you can see this is a upward direction, trend want to be go up. So let's see, I will place here one trade. If it is a come to little bit down, no issue. I'm placing here a call option. I'm placing here a call option, and I'm 100% sure about that candle. It will be closed as a green candle or on my entry point. Okay, you can see this also going up. So why I'm placing here a call option, it's a very simple to you. Okay, and you can see this is the seller zone. this is a seller's area. It is from here to here. Okay, this green candle a week high, and this red candle opening point. These two line are seller zone. Okay, and the candle close below the zone. That's it. I am placing here a call option, and you will see basically this is a digital, so I will be loose here, but in the binary it will be not loose. It's a zero. Okay, so you can see this is a doji candle, not a green candle and not a red candle, so no issue. It's a demo account and the low volume market, so that's it. I am placing here a call option and it will be 0. Okay, so let's see one more trade, then after I will be explain you the trade. Okay, so right now the candle broke our level, so market want to be go up from that level, so let's see what happen here. Okay, it's a solid pressure from buyers. Okay, let's see what happen here. It's a low volume market not moving smoothly. Okay, market not moving smoothly. It's a low volume market, so you have to avoid that market, because sometime you will definitely lose. If you understand the price action, then you will be win, otherwise you definitely lose your money on that market. Okay, so if you identify the clear market, then you will be trade, because it is you will easily understand. Okay, so you can see here this candle has a doji like. Okay, so it will be reverse the market also and continue also, so we don't know about that. So right now I am seeing the round number is there, so I will place here a call option. Okay, I'm placing here a call option. So why I'm placing here a call option, basically here I see one round number. I don't know you see or not, but let me clear this one. Okay, here have one round number, the candle close above round number. Okay, and there is a doji candle also, opening point and closing point above round number. That's it. I'm placing here a call option, so I understand this little bit price action in the low market, it will be work. Okay, so that's it. I'm placing here a call option and it will be win here. Okay, so you can see these two trade we are winning here. Okay, so now we are talking about that class. So in that class, who won discount by me? Okay, in that class I will discount $50. Okay, so that class price is $50. So if anyone to join my class, okay, they will contact me. In that class I will be provide some tricks on IQ option. Okay, so it will be work 80 to 90%. Okay, so they will easily contact me who want to join that class. My contact number in the description below. So we will provide online class in Hindi, Urdu and English. Don't worry about that language. Okay, so thank you very much for my watching my videos. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye, take care. Okay, goodbye.